So as promised, here is a quick video of the layout of, now this is the top bar, but the LongLangs that I work with are made by the same person, so they're very similar. One entrance on the right hand side facing the bees. Some have an entrance in the middle, but this one has one on the side. Then you come around to the back, and this has got a pine lid, so if we open that up, here I've got some polystyrene as insulation, or you could have rock wool. They're blowing away. Okay, and then at the moment, now I do have a flow on, so I'm probably ready to add some more bars, but this is where I put the feeder if I need to feed them. And there's a dead drone, and that's the little hole that they can come in. Now there is a cork to be able to plug that up if I need to, so that's the follow board. So if I add more bars, I can take this out. I can even remove the follow board and move everything across. This was a conversion, so that's why there are some lower frames here. I had a top bar nuke, but the frames were a bit smaller, so we made these. I just stapled them. Yeah, so this is a conversion, so they're being cycled out. So the brood, there's another follow board which I can take out if I want to expand the whole hive. So in winter time, this will shrink down this way, and so I've got this is kind of pollen and honey. The brood kind of sits around here, and then honey's this way, and you have the most capped honey here and the least capped honey at the end of the brood. If you're not using a queen excluder and you want to kind of limit where the queen goes, you can put a frame of all honey, so she will lay her brood, and then if there's a frame of all honey, she'll stop there. Now with the top bar, there are not inner covers because the frames actually all touch each other. I don't have a suit on or a smoker, so you can just see in there the frame, the comb builds down from there. But with a LongLang, obviously the frames have that bee space in between, so you've got a gap between each one. So normally in a LongLang there are maybe four inner covers that go over the top to stop the bees coming at you. So you can work one section at a time if you want to. But as far as when you're closing the lid, obviously you can brush all the bees off. I'll just try and do this without everything blowing away. But so here's the gap. Like that's, as I close that, I don't know if you'll see, but yeah, see how I can get my hand in under there. So, you know, there's an end plate to stop the rain getting in, but there's any bees that are here, they can get out. So they're not going to get stuck underneath the lid. And, you know, the same at the front. Like, yeah, I'm touching the top plates. You can see the foam in there. So there you go. That's top bar, and a LongLang would work in a very similar way. So I hope that's helpful for you.